Good morning all. Welcome back. We are discussing element of remote sensing or component of remote sensing. Segments or component of remote sensing. There are three major segments and components of remote sensing. First is platform, sensors and orbits. In the last class we had discussed about platform. We had discussed about what is platform and types of platform. I hope you all have understood everything in last lecture about platform. Now we are going to study about sensors. Remote sensing sensors. This video is on the concept of remote sensing sensors or active and passive sensors. This is the second important component of remote sensing. In this video we discuss about remote sensing sensors and passive sensors and active sensors. Now, what work would sensors do? Sensors are devices that detect EMR. Now, what is EMR? EMR is electromagnetic radiation. EMR comes from sun or our energy source, whatever is. EMR has different types of waves such as gamma waves, X-rays, ultraviolet rays, visual rays, infrared waves, microwaves and radio waves. Sensors sense these waves and record the data of target of interest or given object. Now, sensors. There are two types of sensors. First is passive sensor and second is active sensors. Now, passive sensors. Passive sensors wants external energy source. It have not own life. Passive sensors is always dependent on an external energy source, that is sun. In other words, passive sensor is always depending on sun or sunlight. Because of the light that comes from sun falls on the object. The object is this tree. Then the tree or any object absorbs some light and then reflected some light. Then reflected energy or reflected light is absorbed by sensor or detected by sensor, and these sensors record the data of object and send to the receiving station. Now, but if we are talking about daytime, in the daytime there is sunlight which falls on the tree, but at night there is no sunlight. Then neither tree can absorb sunlight or energy, nor can the tree reflect anything. Then the sensor that is not able to sense or detect anything about object or tree at night, because of passive sensor has no own light or energy source. Now passive sensor, it detects energy, natural energy, that is sun, that is emitted or reflected by the object or seen by being observed. Reflected sunlight is the most common source of radiation measured by passive sensors. Next is active sensors. Now, active sensors. Active sensor is not dependent on external energy. It has own energy source or light. For example, imagine there is a camera that has flash light. When you click the photo at night of any room, of any object from camera, that photo will give some images or some data because it has a flashlight. But when it does not have a flashlight, then it will click the photo at night time or in the dark room, then no image will come. Now, without flashlight, camera is example for passive sensors, and with flashlight is example for the active sensors. Now, active sensors. Active sensor, it transmit their own signal and measure the energy that reflected and transmitted back or scatter back from the target. Energy, so active sensors send the energy to the object is our this tree. The tree absorb these signals or light or energy and then reflected some energy. These reflected or transmitted back or scatter back. These signals sense the sensor sensed by sensors. These sensors record these data and send to the receiving station. Now, for example, radar and sonar. For example, sonars are fixed in the ship. They send signal from the ship in any direction, like downward direction. When these signals come back, it means something here like mountain and big size of rock. The active sensors are work like sonar. Sensors send the signals or light and energy and then the tree or any object absorb and reflect it. The active sensor sends this reflected energy and record the data and send to the receiving station. Thank you. We will continue in next class. Next class, we will discuss about third components, that is orbits. Now, I hope you all have understood about our sensors. First one is active and passive, and second is passive sensors. Active sensor not depending on other any other external sources, and passive sensor is depending on external sources. Thank you.